Hi, this is Jody from mcpactions.com. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to straighten up your photos. I know it's very popular right now to actually have photos on an angle and do creative angles, and that's great. But sometimes with horizon lines and other types of photos, sometimes we actually want them straight and they don't turn out that way in camera. You know, either we're already trying to be at a strange angle, or like in this picture I was laying down on the ground, so I couldn't quite get my angle straight. What we want to be using is the ruler tool. It's under the eyedropper tool, so you look for the eyedropper tool and then click and you'll see ruler tool in that menu. And what we're going to do is you're going to literally click and hold down and draw a straight line where your horizon is, or where your water meets land, or whatever you want to be straight. And once we're done with that, we come up under image rotation, and click on arbitrary. It will actually pick for you exactly what that angle is and we'll fix it for you. So I've got it going clockwise, and I click OK. And you'll see it tilts it for you. Anything with black, the reason it put black in is that was my background color. I could have had it do white. Now, if you like what happened and you don't want the black around it, of course, we're going to have to use the crop tool. And let's go ahead and crop this photo. And we're going to come in here and we just need to find a crop where we don't have that background. If you do have the background, or you want it more full, go ahead and watch my tutorial on stretching or expanding your canvas, and that will help you learn to cover up those spots as well. But there's our new picture. Next picture, I'm going to show you on one other picture, and this is one of those pictures that is more of a creative thing. I actually got down at an angle. It was my sister's wedding, and you can see all the makeup here at funny angles and stuff. And this was my least favorite picture, actually, but I'm going to show you because it was at kind of an extreme angle, and I don't really like it. So we're going to use the ruler tool again, and I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to actually use the ruler kind of right through this makeup right here. And I could have moved it down a little, but I can tell that's pretty straight. And again, I'm going to go under image rotation, arbitrary, and I'm going to click OK. And it also knew to do it counterclockwise. It knows which way you're tilting, how to straighten out the picture. Now, what's kind of neat about this is I actually like that it put it on black, and it kind of looks neat to me as a picture now, that exact way, with the black in the background. If not, you probably will have some trouble cropping this one, because there's not a lot left to work with. And that would be a vertical crop, and if we were to do a horizontal crop, you'll see we'd have to really be way zoomed in. And actually, that's not all that interesting anyway. I actually really like it with that black backdrop. Kind of gives it a neat background, or a neat border, if you will. So hopefully you learned something today from my quick tutorial on using the ruler tool to straighten your photos. Thank you so much, and please visit mcpactions.com/blog for more great video tutorials. Thank you.